Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop ChatGPT from saving chats. So to start, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click the two lines in the top left corner. Next, select Settings at the bottom. Next, scroll down from here and open Data Controls. Next, you can turn chat history and training off. So at the top, you can turn off Improve Model for everyone. You can also go down and under chat history, you can turn those off. So when this setting is off, new chats won't appear in your chat history. OpenAI won't use those conversations to help improve models. Chats may still be retained temporarily for safety and abuse monitoring before being deleted. So if you only want to delete existing chats, so you can open or delete individual chats by hovering over a conversation and selecting delete, or you can also go to settings and go to data controls and clear chat history. So scroll down and select delete all chats, then confirm the action, and that's it. You can also use a temporary chat, and that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.